it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and today I am planning the week of Monday, April 30th in my Erin Condren Hourly Planner Neutral. I will be using this bloom kit from Inky and the Brain. It is like this super cute sort of like florals and plaids cute. Kit. Oh my goodness, I can't speak. I am super excited about this. I love like the watercolor flower vibes. And I have like a lot of deco from like paper Kamako that kind of matches this kit, so I'll probably be bringing some of that in throughout the week. And I just think that this is super beautiful. I love her premium matte paper. It's super luscious, so I highly recommend that. And I do have a coupon code for her shop for my subscribers, which I will link down below. I'll also be bringing in some lovely Simply Gilded washi and as well a ton of silver foil. So jumping right in, I had originally hoped to do this video as like a talk through instead of doing the voiceover, but it was just not happening. The baby was like napping in the same room as where I was, and he was being a little bit grunty and you could just like hear it, and then I kept getting interrupted. So anyway, just sticking with the voiceover for now. One day I might try it again. I decided to cut down this bottom washi. I love this bottom washi. I think it's so pretty, but I wanted to bring in some Simply Gilded as well. So I tried to cut it like a little bit off center, and then I'm going to use the larger piece at the bottom, and the smaller piece actually I'm going to run across the top. And sorry, I'm a little out of frame here. I will realize while I'm doing the date covers and pull that back down, but I will just like speed you through the rest of the out of frame parts. So I have really been feeling like the way I've been doing these planner setups lately, and then the rest of the week it kind of just like ends up being a little bit more memory keeping. But it's been really working really well for me with my, current less busy lifestyle, although it doesn't really feel less busy in the moment, but like plans wise, it definitely is, since I don't have work and, we just kind of do like the same activities every week, etc. But I just have been loving how the spreads have been turning out, and I love getting to use like a full week's worth of full boxes. So I am going to bring in silver foil, like I said, and I have these date covers from Rose Colored Days, and I'm going to use some date dots from Rose Shadow Collection and put these on as well. I thought that the watercolor strokes look really pretty with the watercolors in the kit. I have just been in like a super awesome good mood lately. I really like having two kids. So far it's been really fun, and seeing my daughter, who is like a little bit over 2, interact with the baby is just like the cutest thing ever. The weather has been so amazing lately. We go outside like every single day. Just about, actually pretty much every day, but Thursday we go out for like a walk and go to the playground, and it's like super fun and so nice to just be out and moving around, and I feel so good. Like, I honestly can't believe how good I feel. I'm 5 weeks postpartum, and so I had a C-section with my daughter. She was breech, and it was quite complicated, and although I had like a fairly easy recovery, I was able to have a VBAC with my son, which was an amazing experience. And I honestly, I was out of bed like less than an hour after he was born and just walking around, and I just feel so good and feel so normal, and that is such an amazing feeling, just having your body like do what you want, and not having to share it with another person because I'm not pregnant anymore. So I've just been feeling really great, and it's been just making my whole outlook on life really positive, and been making our days like super fun. Anyway, sorry if that was TMI. I just have been feeling really great, and I'm excited about that. And I'm actually going to be starting a fitness challenge on May 7th, but I will talk probably a little bit more about that next week, and I'm actually have some fun planner stuff planned around that as well. I'm hoping to do a whole TN setup dedicated to that, like a different TN, not my main B6, which hopefully you've seen my video of my spring setup for that. I love how that turned out, and that is linked below if you have not seen it yet. So just wrapping this up by struggling with that washi a bunch, and then I am going to flip the planner to one side to work on my sidebar. So this kit did have a quote box, so I decided to use that in the thankful thought, and then I am going to just do on my sidebar this week a weekly ombre for my Instagram posts, and then a short to-do list, just a 3-heart checklist. This kit didn't actually have any 3-heart checklists, but I cut down a regular ombre heart checklist to just have 3. And then I brought back the word of the week last week. I missed having that, so I brought that back, and we'll put that in, and then bring in some more washi as well. I didn't want to like overcrowd my sidebar because this planner is like functional decorative, although probably more like decorative functional, and I didn't need like a lot of the extra space on the sidebar. I don't like to overcrowd it with to-dos, and I did moved my habit tracker over to my B6 because I'm like really more using that throughout the day to like make sure I'm checking things off my to-do list and getting stuff done, versus this, which I do my pre-planning, and that helps me like figure out my plans and figure out my week, and then the rest of it I sort of like backfill with the activities we do or other things that happen throughout the week. So it's like a little bit of combination of forward planning and memory keeping. And my word of the week or phrase of the week is going to be get ready, because I am trying to get ready for this fitness challenge, which starts next week. And then as well, my parents are coming back next weekend, so trying to get ready for that as well. I did decide to use the flags from the kit this week. I just really liked the plaid, and I thought it looked super cute like this. Then I decided to lay all the plaid full boxes down across the bottom, going every other day, and do the florals across the top. This kit does come with an extra full box. It comes with 9. I love when kits have an extra full box because then you have some choices, but also you can save it to use another time. Like sometimes I use them in my monthly spreads, or a lot of times what I do with ones when they're like kind of patterny, like the way the ones they are in this kit, is I will cut them down for extra strips of washi, because I feel like I'm always running out of pattern washi in kits. So it's nice to have that as an option, and I can practice making my lines really straight, which is not my strong suit. So then I grabbed some silver foil headers from Rose Colored Days. I wanted to make the spread look super sparkly, but then as I was doing it, I decided like I didn't want them at the top also, because they're just like kind of a lot, those headers. It's like very foiled. So I brought in these white bow headers from Simply Watercolor Co. to do on the top row of headers, and why not? There are no rules when it comes to your planner and when it comes to how to use headers. So I really like the way this looks, and having the sort of different headers on the top and bottom. So then I'm going to finish putting down the floral full boxes and then lay down my Today headers. I decided to use the Today headers. They are in pink in the kit. And while I am doing that, I will just maybe mention, so the fitness challenge that I'm doing is the Tone It Up Bikini series. I first joined Tone It Up, I think in 2011 or something. I don't know, a really long time ago. And not I've just done it kind of on and off with varying degrees of commitment through since then. But it is a really fun, get ready for summer challenge. They have such a positive outlook, and it's just really a really fun community, huge Instagram community, like the planner community, which I really like as well. And a lot of the challenge is free. I mean, the challenge is free. They have some premium and paid stuff, a lot of which I have, but you can find all the schedules, and they have a ton of free workouts on YouTube. And the thing that I really love about their workouts now that I don't think I quite appreciated before I have kids is that they're all pretty fast, and you can do them at home, which is really nice, since I have to kind of fit it in around nap schedules, etc. I'll go ahead and link their challenge below in the description. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to be doing it or any other fitness challenges. I'd love to know that. Anyway, I am laying down my meal little things for the week. I like to go kind of across with some of the things that are every day instead of going like specifically day by day. It helps me see like the colors and everything. So then I am putting down these flags, and the foiled flags in pink and blue are from Station Stickers, and I'm going to mix that with the flags I had left from the kit, and I'm going to use this to mark my steps for every day. I've been really liking having that in the planner, and I wanted like a little bit more space to write because I've also been writing down what walk route we take, if we take a walk, which we do almost every day. So it's nice to just like kind of associate that with the number of steps I get for the day, just like sort of for reference. And then as I try and ramp that up during the fitness challenge, that helps me sort of be mindful of that. And then on Monday, I just marked that with an icon to remind myself what that's for in case I forget between when I laid this down and when the week starts. So then I am putting down these quarter boxes for my nanny hours this week, and I added a little bow on Tuesday because she usually comes in the morning, but she's coming in the afternoon, so I just wanted to remind myself of that. And that bow is from Simply Watercolor Co., and it is from the $2 or Simply Foiled Tuesday. Then on Monday, I'm planning on doing a bunch of prep stuff for that challenge, including some planner stuff. And then on Tuesday, I have a dentist appointment in the afternoon. That's actually why my nanny is coming in the afternoon, so I don't have to bring my toddler to the dentist, which sounds like an absolute nightmare. Then also on Tuesday, I will have a video going up. It will be my May plan with me. I am really excited about that. And then on Wednesday, we are going to story time at the library as usual. And Wednesdays are my mega laundry day. I actually end up doing a lot of laundry throughout the week, but on Wednesday, I like try and do multiple loads in one day. Then on Thursday, as usual, my daughter has swim class. I hope you guys don't find my weeks too repetitive. I mean, they are very repetitive, but I'm definitely like a schedule type person, so I find a lot of comfort in that. So then I've been weighing my son on Wednesday morning, so I just decided to put that in my planner from now on. I've just been like sort of just making sure he's growing. I am nursing, so I don't like see how much milk he's drinking, but he is ginormous, so I think he's growing just fine, but I like just once a week, just making sure a little check-in. And then on Friday, our cleaning people are coming, and we have story time at the library as well. On Saturday, it is Cinco de Mayo, so I decided to use the foiled holiday stickers from Rose Colored Days over a full box. And then I just put another full box down for whatever fun activity we do on Saturday, hopefully involving some tacos. Then Sunday, my plan with me will go up live as usual, and as well, I will be doing a mega meal prep instead of a regular meal prep to get ready for the challenge that starts on Monday. Then I just decided to use one foiled overlay from Rose Colored Days over the quote box to just add a little extra sparkle. And then I am just going back with some character stickers. The Scribblers and the Dinos are from Scribble Prints Co., and the Munchkins are from Once More with Love. And then I decided to add, and then I remembered also on Friday I have my best friend's son. It's his birthday, so I wanted to mark that in so I could remember to give them a call and wish them a happy birthday and send a present. And that little TV that I added in on Thursday, that's actually just for filming. I usually do like a lot of filming on Thursday, and that is from a Rose Shadow Collection sampler. That's everything. I am gonna turn off the camera and get this all filled out, and I will be right back. Okay, that is everything all filled out. I absolutely love how this turned out. The foil looks gorgeous. All the watercolors and florals, everything looks super beautiful. I use the Faber-Style Pitt Artist Pen on both the stickers and the paper because this is a really luxurious premium matte, so it writes really beautifully. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribed, and definitely check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with what I am doing in my planners all week. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!